Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to another video for our live trading room results. This week we were waiting opportunities because price in many pairs started to retrace. We didn't get many of them, maybe this week, but we will check some pairs that I think worth some mentioning. On gold, if we go on higher settings, that you see that at the beginning of the week we had a false breakout, and after a major trendline break and of course a reaction, we saw some opportunities to go short. If someone of course took that because of a very nice combination, you got stopped out, because what happened, price got into a range. Then you had another reaction, another crossover with another opportunity. If you tried again you got stopped out. Now, if you get stopped out twice, two reasons. There are two reasons. Either you do something wrong with your top-down approach, or price is entering a range. And this is exactly what happened. Price got stuck on a small range, and you can see all multiple touches here, lows, and then a clear breakout and a 1, 2, 3. So if you had the nerve, let's say, and take another setup, of course you would see that these lows here, this low was much more lower than everything else. So at this point you went short. That was like 40, 50 pips, already 150. Win-win scenario, incremental profits, you know, of course, the drill here. And what happened on this area, this powerful support, price went back up again. What is that? And again, you can see, again, that was multiple touches, another line coming from much more previous areas. So it looks like price is getting on a bigger range. This is the normal, let's say, one, and it's getting stuck in this small range, bigger than this one. So again, here what happened on this level, you saw price went all the way up without giving you any opportunities. Again, here you could have gone with an M6. You can see here on this level, give me a second, that was an M6. You see the retracement a little bit better than the previous ones, 2-3 candles. Price went all the way down, again another opportunity to enter. And of course after this, again on M24, you can see this powerful trend line, and once more at this level here we got a bounce, we got a higher low, we have crossovers and another 1, 2, 3. And again, if you entered like again 40, 50 pips, already 300. So that's like 4 or 5 times our APO. The whole point is, first of all, to identify the range and then start bounce trading up and down if it's worth it. We are talking about of a range here of almost 300 pips. I think it's worth it. With all these entries, we had more than 5 times our APO. You might get stopped out a couple of more times, but eventually price started to get a little bit smoother. There was also a very good opportunity on USD CAD, classic combination, bounce on a major support area, M24 trendline break, and then M12 1, 2, 3. This vertical line here it's the beginning of the wick. So here we were waiting for the breakout, and when it happened we saw the opportunity. And if you took the entry here, like again 40-50 pips already 153 times. That means first and second target, and maybe you got stopped out with like 70 pips. So in this case, of course, it looks like price wanted to retrace a little bit more, and then you can get and wait another opportunity to go and target the whole area here. On GBP Aussie, there was a late entry after, of course, a very powerful combination. We saw price giving us nice retracement, nice 1 to 3s. As a late entry, again, APO was like 30, or if you took the white candle, just for psychological purposes, 40, 50 pips, again, you see price went more than 230, 40 pips. Again, win-win scenario, incremental profits on these levels, and of course, more than, how big is that, GBP Aussie, more than 5 times our APO. And again, Monday morning with our top-down approach, we will check it and see what's going on now. And I think it was also another pair. Yep, EuroCAD. Give me a second. There you go. On EuroCAD, again, we had a really nice combination at the beginning of the week. We had a trendline break, we had our crossovers, we had our 1 to 3. Again, if you took it, that would be like 40, 50 pips, like 49. If you had like 50 pips, you got stopped out because of the spikes. If not, you are in. And of course, on higher settings, you can see that we will be getting a very nice combination to go long, targeting this area here, which is already marked with our top-down approach, like 200 pips. Of course, we have some positions running since last week. In some cases, we have win-win scenarios, GBP USD, New Zealand dollar. In some others, we have all our positions running. So that is yet to be seen what will happen with all these entries. So that's like with this, only these 4 pairs, we got like more than 15 times our APO, more than 900 pips. Yes, we got stopped out in some other pairs, but because we use money management rules, we don't mind. And because we use last position running strategy, we don't mind. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful weekend and see you again Monday morning as always. Stay safe, everybody.